Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about RV College of Engineering, and I'm going also talk about the documents required as well as the live inauguration day details, right? So this is, as you know, that the today 24th August 2025, that was the start of the RV College Engineering batch 2025 inauguration and the orientation program. So it started at 10:30 a.m. today, and it was going on live up before some time, right? So I'm giving some more details here. So if you see, this is the live picture from today's event which has happened, inauguration. So at the bottom you can see some of the heads, and this was displayed on their board, right, during the inauguration program. So you can see some people sitting down, and this is basically the breakup of their salaries which they displayed today, right? So this is complete placement statistics 2025. These are not the number of students placed, but these are the number of offers, and one student can have many offers. So if you see, in the number of offers in this batch was around 1009. So finally it crossed 1000 plus offers. And if you see the breakup of salaries, 406 offers were above 14 lakhs and above, which is excellent offer. 406 offers, so number of students placed may be 300, because many students will have multiple offers. Similarly, the number of offers between 12 to 14 lakhs was 78, which is also quite good. Number of offers between 8 to 12 lakhs was 164, which is good. And below 8 lakhs, I will consider it is an average offer for colleges like RV. So 6 to 8 lakhs, 221 offers, and below 6 lakhs also 140 offers. So last two category, I will say it is not as per the RV standards, but first three offers are as per the RV standards. To total 1009 offers. Maximum salary in this batch has now become 67 lakhs, what they have displayed on the screen, and median salary is around 11 lakhs. To total 262 companies visited RV College in 2025. So you can see this is a live screenshot from the today's event, which is the inauguration day. Now some students were also asking the doubts about the total fees which will be there through Comedk. So you would have paid 3,01,100 when the counseling time at Comedk, and after that you will also need to pay some extra fees, as you most know. So 20,000 will be basically your college fees, including lab fees, and 10,600 will be your VTU fees. So any students who is from Karnataka is going to pay 30,610 rupees extra. Any student who is outside of Karnataka, they will pay slightly higher, 20,000 plus 12,000, which is 32,110 extra you have to pay when you reach college if you are from outside Karnataka. And this fees has to be paid every year. This is not just for first year, it has to be paid every year. And next one is the students coming from outside India, they will have to pay 42,000 every year. And this fees is dependent on VTU. So if VTU revises the fees, this fees may increase only the VTU portion. Rest of the fees will be fixed for you for the next 4 years. So you don't need to bother about the overall fees, only a VTU portion 1000, 2000 you may have to pay extra if VTU revises those fees. Now I'll come to the next topic of this, which is the mandatory documents to be submitted at the time of admission. It is a similar set required for both KCET and the Comedk students. So you can clearly see it is taken from the basically RV College main website. Mandatory documents to be submitted a document, and this is specifically for Comedk. Equivalent document will be for KCET. So for Comedk student, original admission order issued by Comedk. If you are coming through KCET, it will be admission order issued by KCET. That is the only difference. Originals of 10th and the 12th class marks cards are required to be there. Original transfer certificate is also required at RV College of Engineering. If you have studied other than the PU board or PUC board of Karnataka, then you have to compulsorily submit original migration certificate. Some students are saying that their college is not giving migration certificate. All the colleges in India, if it is not a state government colleges, they give migration certificate. So please reach your college again, and they will give you the migration certificate if you have not studied in the Karnataka PU board. Everybody is required to submit this. If seat is claimed under Hyderabad Karnataka region, then you have to provide the HKR certificate. So this is for the Comedk KKR or HKR students. photocopy of your student Aadhaar card, that is required. Photocopy of PAN card is required, and Aadhaar card of parent. This is also required for opening the bank account, right? Two set of photocopies of the serial numbers. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, up to 7 you have to say have two set of copies. You have to also submit two recent color size photographs. And the last one, you can see, if candidate have studied outside of India, then they will have to compulsory give equivalent certificate, which is accepted by Association of Indian Universities and VTU Belagavi. So that are all the documents which are required for RV College of Engineering. And similar KCET will require some additional claim certificate like income certificate, caste certificate, or special category certificate. If you are coming through KCET, that set will be slightly different. But this is all the updates I have. Thanks for watching. Please to subscribe channel to get similar updates on all the colleges in Karnataka.